Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. May has always been a special month for us, and this year is no different. It's our 8-year anniversary at BlackboxMyCar, and this year, we want to do something special. Amidst the whole coronavirus situation, we thought about it, and we decided that we want to do our part to help out frontline workers across North America. Last month, we did it with the Healthcare Heroes discount, and this year, we want to take it up to the next level by doing a $10,000 giveaway to healthcare workers from across North America. So that's why we've partnered up with Thinkware to give away 50 dash cams to healthcare workers from across North America. If you're a doctor, nurse, paramedic, nursing home caregiver, pharmacist, or hospital staff, or you know someone who you'd like to nominate, who you think is deserving of one of these dash cams, just fill out the form below for a chance to win one of these 50 dash cams. That's right, we've partnered up with Thinkware to give away 50 dash cams to give away to frontline workers from across North America. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description below so you can enter for your chance to win one today. But do hurry because this giveaway ends on May 15th, and that's when we're going to start picking the winners. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments below, and we can't wait to hear from you.